Hey YouTube, Ray here, and I'm back with an unboxing of the AirPods Pro. What's unique about the AirPods Pro over the regular AirPods is that they provide better sound quality, a refreshed design with the silicone ear tips, active noise cancellation, an improved chipset, and they come standard with a wireless charging case, which Apple lets you know by putting it on the box here. And in typical Apple fashion, you've got the white packaging with the plastic wrap, and you've got a picture of the device on the back. Let's go ahead and open it up. So you can just pull the tab here on the side. So they finally made it easier for you to rip open this plastic by just, instead of having you somehow try to find a way to cut it open, use a plastic tab. And then you can go ahead and peel off the rest of this, which is always very satisfying. And there you have just the box. So you can open up the top. It's actually a great seal on that box as well. You've got, again, always greeted by the design by Apple in California. And in here, you've got a little bit of a guidebook. Setting that aside, you've got the device themselves. So you can pull on this tab here. And the AirPods Pro are wrapped in this little plastic. Just putting that aside for a sec, going deeper into the packaging, you've got your extra silicone earbuds, so for different sizes. And with the AirPods Pro, Apple will also test the fit. So there's essentially a setting in your phone that you can see how well the silicone tips that you've chosen, the size, small, medium, large, fits within your ear. And then here is a USB-C charging lightning cable so that you can charge the wireless case. Going back to the AirPods, they're extremely compact. This case is a little bit larger than the regular AirPods Pro case, but as you can see, still extremely small and portable. And that's the benefit over some of the competitors. So you guys who are interested in wireless headphones may have seen, the Sony WF-1000 MX3. That's a mouthful. Or the Bose SoundSport Wireless. Both of those are $200 US, but so $50 cheaper, but their cases and the buds themselves are a lot larger than the AirPods Pro. I think no one can beat Apple in just the overall kind of weighting of different categories. So some might sound better than the AirPods Pro, some might fit better, more comfortable, some might have some other better features, but Apple just tends to put basically the best of all those features, or close to the best of all those features. So if you're looking for great sound quality, maybe not the best, but great, you can find it in here. Design and form factor, I mean, you're not going to find this kind of premium wireless earbuds in a form factor this compact and portable. Just the case is just amazing. The snap is so satisfying. Even the size of these buds, if you look again at those Sonys or the Bose, they just haven't been able to create it in this type of sound or form factor. You can kind of see how small this is. Those are a much larger earbud. So for everyday practical use, I think nothing can beat Apple in this design department. And they've done a great job creating a pretty decent listening experience as well. Again, these have active noise cancellation and also something called a transparency mode, which allows you to filter in noise from your surroundings, if you want to listen into what's going around you. Call it, in a way, somewhat of a hearing aid, I guess you could call these. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the AirPods Pro. I'm going to go ahead and set these up and start enjoying them.